Hey everyone, welcome to this RC series. So we are going to give you like short sessions, one RC that has been cherry picked from some reliable source, and in that I'm going to show you how to handle the passage, how to kind of move forward, how to eliminate, how to nail the main idea, understand the types of questions and whatnot. आरसी ने तो बस सबकी नींदें ही उड़ा रखी है, तो मैंने सोचा चलो कोई नहीं, मुश्किल चीज है, लेट्स टेक द बुल बाय द हॉर्न्स, हैंडल करते हैं इसको. सो आरसी इज नॉट एग्जैक्टली एज हार्ड एज यू थिंक, थोड़ा सा उसको सिंप्लीफाई करने की जरूरत है. That's where I come into the picture. I'm going to help you deconstruct RCs, decode the points. And yes, there's one thing before we move forward. Please do not take it upon your ego या on your heart कि मुझे ना ये आरसी पूरा समझना है, ये पैराग्राफ मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा, इसको समझ के ही मुझे निकालना है. On the D-Day, there will be only 40 minutes and 24 questions, out of which you will be required to do at least 15 to 16. So अगर आप ज्यादा ईगो खेलोगे ना तो वहां पे प्रॉब्लम हो जानी है, आप सॉल्व नहीं कर पाओगे लिमिटेड टाइम में, and you will kind of end up being a little kind of rattled. आप लगेगा आपको कि हाँ छोड़ ही देते हैं, ठीक है. सो विदाउट फर्दर अडू लेट्स डाइव राइट इन. अब यहाँ ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द सेशन क्या है अपना, टू अंडरस्टैंड द मेन आइडिया. कहाँ पे रहता है सब में मैं डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करूंगी. सो फॉलो दिस सीरीज गाइज, यू कैन टेक इट एज काइंड ऑफ लाइव प्रैक्टिस विथ मी एक एक आरसी का. मैप द पैसेज, पैराग्राफ्स कैसे कनेक्टेड है मेन आइडिया से, ये मैं दिखाऊंगी आपको. लोकेट इंपॉर्टेंट जोन्स, कहाँ पे क्वेश्चन सेटर कैन गिव यू सम क्वेश्चंस, पॉइंट आउट करती जाऊंगी. ग्रास्प द टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन, किस तरह का क्वेश्चन है, मेन आइडिया है, इन्फरेंस है, इसमें क्या पूछा है, कैसे इसका टेक्निक है. आई विल गाइड यू ऑन दैट आल्सो. व्हिच क्वेश्चंस टू पिक, ये भी करेंगे हम. एलिमिनेशन टेक्निक्स, POE. I have done a detailed session on process of elimination on this very channel, so you can look back for it. उठाओ आप वो सेशन, उसको डिटेल में कर लो. यू विल बी equipped with some very फाड़ू kind of techniques जिससे आपका RC elimination आसान हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सो चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now this is a passage. I have purposely taken a slightly long passage. Okay? आप बोलोगे स्टार्ट करना था इजी से, नहीं. I want to kind of show you a point. और ये बहुत अच्छा सा passage है. इसमें मतलब questions में भी आप select कर सकते हो, different types of questions भी है. I'll be able to demonstrate all my points here. ठीक है? Let's take a look at this passage. I'm not reading it yet. I'm just glancing at it. A corked wine does not mean a wine. ठीक है? So corked wine, it's talking about corked wine. क्या है ये? Is the author going to discuss wine in this passage? एक नजर अगर डालती हूँ तो मुझे दिख रहा है some kind of compound, chemical, some kind of battle. Okay, opponents, market की कुछ बात कर रहा है, defenders, अच्छा ठीक है, यहाँ ये है, birds भी जिक्र किया है, British supermarket है something, टेक्निकल कुछ दिख रहा है मुझे. ओके फाइन, कंपनीज के नाम हैं, अमेरिका एंड ऑल. ओके कूल, एंड द पैसेज इज प्रीटी लॉन्ग. नाउ आफ्टर जस्ट ग्लांसिंग एट इट लाइक दिस, आई फील अच्छा ठीक है, इट इज समथिंग टू डू विद द मार्केट. कुछ ना आपका कुछ देयर इज सम प्रोडक्ट, आई हैवंट रेड इट येट, तो मुझे नहीं मालूम है कि हाँ कौन सा प्रोडक्ट है ना. सो सम प्रोडक्ट दैट इज गोइंग टू बी डिस्कस, ब्रिटिश है, अमेरिकन दिया हुआ है, some kind of consumer tendencies, कुछ तो है, पैटर्न है. Which of the following can serve as the central idea? Oh, I would love to do this. Number 1. ठीक है, इसमें एक और क्वेश्चन है नंबर 4 पे, स्टाइल ऑफ द पैसेज. ये देखते ही मैं कूद पड़ी, हाँ इसको मैं नंबर 2 पे करूंगी, बिकॉज दिस इज अ वेरी डुएबल थिंग. बाकी के दोनों क्वेश्चंस आप देख लो. It can be inferred that the comfort of this industry, so the passage is discussing this industry, cork stopper industry जो भी है, is threatened by. कोई चीज तो है जिससे वो उसको its existence is threatened. अच्छा, तो कोई competitor आ रहा है, somebody who's going to kind of move it out of the scene. ये है, ठीक है, इसको नंबर 3 पे कर लूंगी मैं. एंड नंबर 4 पे, inferred that the author seems to be something something something. Okay, चलो ये तो ना लेटर ही करेंगे, बिकॉज ये मुझे ओवरऑल इन्फरेंस लग रहा है. सो ओवरऑल इन्फरेंस में आई कैन काइंड ऑफ कीप इट फॉर द एंड. देखते हैं इसको. राइट नाउ आई विल टेक यू बैक. अच्छा हाँ, बिफोर आई मूव बैक, यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग ये जो एक्सरसाइज अभी आपने किया मैम, वो पैसेज ग्लांस करना एंड क्वेश्चंस क्विकली चेक करना, हाउ लॉन्ग शुड इट टेक यू, कितना लगेगा आपको, कितनी देर लगेगी इसमें इट शुड टेक यू नॉट मोर देन 30 seconds विथ प्रैक्टिस. अब आप अगर लेके क्वेश्चन को बैठ जाओगे बिगिनिंग में, ये समझना मुश्किल हो जाएगी. सो विद सस्टेन्ड प्रैक्टिस यू विल बी एबल टू सी द क्वेश्चंस एंड डिसाइड मुझे इनमें से चारों में से कौन से 2 पिक करने हैं. Like as of now, I have decided मैं तो ये 2 questions हर हाल में करूंगी. I'll come back to this question. थोड़ा सा देखूंगी अगर ये हो पा रहा है तो ठीक है, वरना I'll move out of this passage. 2 questions करके I'll be happy. In order to handle those two, in order to solve those 2 questions, I do not need to go through the entire passage. Main idea है and passage का style है. समझ रहे हो मेरी बात? So अभी तो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी how to handle a passage, but that main idea and style can be done even without diving into the passage. तो ये समझो कि क्वेश्चंस जो उसमें से कौन से पिक करने हैं, कौन से निकाल के आप मैनेज करके निकल सकते हो. Okay, anyway, chalo, let's go back to the passage and I'll show you how to handle it quickly. Now, first para, we generally scan, so let's check it quickly. A corked wine does not mean a wine that has tiny particles of cork floating around. Oh, it does not mean this, so what does it mean? Sommeliers, wine tasters, है ना, बहुत मजे का जॉब होता है इनका. वाइन टेस्टर, चॉकलेट टेस्टर, मीट टेस्टर्स ऐसे होते हैं, है ना. Use the term corked wine for a wine that has become contaminated. अच्छा ठीक है, okay. But what is the main idea? It's not at all clear from there. Author क्या पूरे passage में wine discuss कर रहा है? No, but I saw that he has discussed some kind of market something, right? तो ये क्या है first para में? It's not clear. Main idea तो नहीं है यहाँ. This increased awareness. Okay, so he's talking that the people are aware. समझ में आया? Largely due to the battle now waging between the defenders of traditional this and its opponents who believe that an unacceptable. Okay, fine. The battle has developed into a dialogue of the deaf. No one knows. Cool, got it. This is your actual main idea. This is what he's going to discuss in the whole passage. There is something called cork industry. Corked wine, जिसका इसने यहाँ बोला है. People have come to know what this is. People are aware of it. But the main thing is there is some kind of jung going on between the proponents, the supporters जो वो है, and the critics. इनके बीच की जो जंग चल रही वो कैसी है? So यहाँ पे भाई 2 लाइन में मुझे मेन आइडिया आ गया. अब उसके आगे am I reading it? No. No one knows. Okay, ठीक है. To complicate matters, controversial. बस खत्म. दिख गया उतना मुझे कि this paragraph is talking about the war, the battle. In Britain, Cork's defenders, comma should be here. Cork's defenders have unleashed. So this para is talking about Britain and this para is talking about defenders. Right? Clear है इतना? कुछ यहाँ rare species of birds वगैरह बोला है. क्यों भाई? Portugal अच्छा देख लिया मैंने. This is called skimming. Cork oak forests of Spain. I'm not going into it right now क्योंकि मुझे पता है इतना लंबा passage है. I will forget everything by the time I reach the questions. Cool. So आगे बढ़ते हैं इसमें. Public battle started. हाँ, so when did it start? British supermarket groups, okay, something American, Australian producers, acha, battle has forced the cork industry into action. Acha, okay, I get the point. So this battle started some time back, kuch aisa hua. This is an important sentence. Skimming isi ko bolte hain. How you kind of take the important points without reading the unnecessary stuff. So this battle has belatedly means now. हाल फिलहाल में forced the coke कह रही हूँ, coke पीने का दिल सारा मुझे. हाँ, cork industry into action. कुछ किया है उसने अब remedial steps, right? For years the price of cork increasing. Okay, the manufacturing process is primitive. अच्छा, today, got it. Today and today. Very very important question यहाँ पे set होगा. Anywhere where you see now या today या in today's era, present era, question set होगा. ओके, तो यहाँ क्या बोल रहा है? पैराग्राफ का फ्लो दिख रहा है. ये कैसे आएगा मैम? मैं तो नहीं कर सक रहा हूं, मैं तो समझ ही नहीं पा रहा हूं. ये प्रैक्टिस से आता है बेटे. सो डेली प्रैक्टिस, डेली रीडिंग भी करनी है और पैसेजेस को थोड़ा बहुत प्रैक्टिस करना है. इस तरीके से प्रैक्टिस करना है सो दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड द फ्लो ऑफ द पैराग्राफ. यहाँ तो बहुत ही क्लियर है इस पैराग्राफ में. ये दिखाया इसने कब स्टार्ट हुआ. जो भी स्टार्ट हुआ, अब उसने कॉक इंडस्ट्री को फोर्स किया है कि तुम उठो, कुछ एक्शन लो. What is the action that they have taken? पहले primitive and कुछ उसके वो थे तरीके थे जिसकी वजह से मे बी फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में जो बोला है particles floating होता होगा. Today they have been changed and tightened, something किया है. Today corks can be treated in a process, कुछ टेक्निकल उसका वो है INOS. Okay, Amorim कोई कंपनी का नाम दिया है. Amorim का एग्जाम्पल क्यों दिया है? There can be a question. Why has the author quoted Amorim in the big paragraph here in the third paragraph? To highlight that the primitive methods have been overcome. Cool. This is the flow of the paragraph, right? How is this connected to the main idea? अभी देखेंगे. But even Amorim, ठीक है, यहाँ पे he has given Amorim का कुछ वो कि like it's one of the companies, biggest producer, but even Amorim are going to have to accept that plastic corks, okay, many cheaper wines में जो use किया जाता है, are by the Swiss for even the finest berries are going to take an increasing share. This is not because they are cheaper, not this but that technique. Question आएगा. Question setter को भी ना जगह चाहिए होती, कहाँ बनाएगा वो questions? So I'm giving you the psyche of the question setter, the story from the other side of the table, right? तो वो यहाँ पे आपको question देगा. What is the reason for the plastic corks to be a good competitor or to pose a threat to this cork industry? Is it because they are cheaper? No, they are. It's not because of this. It's because something here. Now I'm not reading this. मुझे पता है यहाँ क्वेश्चन आएगा. I'll come back and I'll read it then. I'm saving seconds. ठीक है? On problems यहाँ कोलन देख रहे हो. There is some kind of explanation here. So this is a very important zone. देख के बस रख लो. Despite this, they know कि हाँ plastic is going to take an increasing share. Is it because they are cheaper? No, because of some other reason. Then one obvious winner is the Supreme Cork from America, devised okay, plastic bungs okay. So now this Supreme Cork is definitely not manufacturing the original authentic corks, क्योंकि यहाँ पे authentic corks की बात खत्म हो गई. We moved on to plastic taking an increasing share. So Supreme Cork is an example of some company that manufactures some kind of plastic that is kind of superior in quality, or it's going to take over the market or it's going to take an increasing share. Right? कुछ इस तरह का है. I'm not reading it much. France यहाँ दिख गया. Okay, polymer, something, medicines, okay, abandoned 80 years ago, something. All right. I'll come back to it. How likely, now this is the last paragraph, I'm going to definitely check it out, लेकिन ये बड़ा paragraph है, थोड़ा सा skimming चलता है. How likely is the wine stopper going to end in open hostilities? Question mark है, that too in the last para, 100% connected with the main idea. So now if I bring the main idea together, आपको दिखाती हूँ मैं, ये देखो. Main idea यहाँ, there is a battle going on, right, between the defenders and the critics. How likely is this to end in open hostilities? So the whole passage is discussing something, war, some battle, something, and even towards the end, the author is saying कि ये तो चल रहा है, कैसे होगा इसकी hostilities? What are the repercussions going to be? Demand for wine in bottles is growing faster than the supply of this, so there is actually plenty of room. Competitors और भी आ सकते हैं. Bottles बहुत बन रहे हैं, ठीक है? Demand for wine in bottles. We all want wine in bottles. Demand है. But then, supply of properly prepared cork कम है. So there is a gap. Competitors can move in. At the top end of the market, okay, that does not necessarily favor plastic. Okay. Yeah, top end of the market that does not necessarily favor plastic, for nobody can yet know something. So there is some kind of a gap. Plastic भी नहीं चाहिए. Cork का भी, supply उतना fast नहीं है. Why? Because you make those corks from wood. कहाँ से आएगा वो wood, right? On the other hand, the top end accounts, okay. So some kind of analysis. इतना ही समझना है मैंने. Now, one more point. The last 3 lines of the passage are always important and a question pocket. ठीक है? मैं क्या क्या ले रही हूँ यहाँ पे, आपको बस वो दिखा रही हूँ. As over 90% of all wine is consumed within a year of being bottled, for most drinkers, argument, long-term effects of plastic, fairly theoretical. अच्छा. So some people are saying plastic na long term में plastic is bad. But then wine तो consume हो जा रहा है within 24 hours of being purchased. So why will plastic have that long term वाला concern? Okay, so the author is coming up with analysis and arguments and something of that sort. Right? Now, if I put over here आपका, let's sum up the passage. Okay, so main idea is what? पहले तो hero is cork. Corked wine or corked bottles or whatever. ठीक है? Main idea is war, the battle going on. Even till the end, till the last paragraph, he has discussed the battle. So yes, it is there, right? Tone of the author is kind of यहाँ पे demand. ये इसने question पूछा, he himself is answering it. Then he's giving some data. So yes, it's kind of conclusive tone, neutral. He's not taking any sides, I think. मतलब ये यहाँ पे बोल रहा है कि अच्छा plastic का like people have this concern, but still the wine is consumed within 24 hours. So why will this concern be there? ये हो गया आपका, right? How are we going to do the mapping of the passage? आप ये देख लो यहाँ पे. Here. Now, write it down. It will help you. In the first few passages, I suggest writing everything down so that you kind of lay a firm foundation. अभी यहाँ पे क्या है, पहला पैराग्राफ में आपका wine, some definition, something. Main idea is not clear. Then the main idea is here, battle, the war. Then आप ऐसे ना बड़ी छतरी बना लो, battle and war. Then you connect with this. Britain में क्या हुआ? Britain में defenders, okay, they have attacked something, and then उसमें आप छोटा सा bracket डाल के you can write Spain and some Portugal and species of birds. So you're kind of skimming a little bit, ठीक है? So this paragraph is talking about defenders, negative. Okay, public relations campaign. This paragraph is talking about some campaign and something to do with British. Then this big paragraph is telling us when it started. And then it gives us the details of how improvements were brought about in cork. अभी तक plastic picture में नहीं आया है. Next paragraph introduces Rajnikant, that is plastic, that is kind of going to take a big chunk of the market share. ठीक है? यहाँ पे again he's being analytical, check कर रहा है. Is it because of this? No, not because of that. Next para is connected with like वो कंपनी जो है, what company is there जो कि लीड कर रही है in giving you this kind of plastic वाला something. Supreme Cork is definitely not connected to authentic cork. Why? Because it's being discussed after this, right? There can be a question asked, why is the author giving you the example of Supreme Cork, or why is the author giving you the example of Amorim? Amorim का example क्यों दिया है यहाँ? To show, to elucidate his point that improvements were made in the technicality or in the manufacturing processes of authentic cork. ठीक है, ये हो गया. यहाँ पे why is the author giving you example of Supreme Cork from America? ये अगर question आता है आपको, obvious winner ये this, because this particular company does not sell cheap corks. It does not focus on price. It focuses more on dependability, more on reliability, satisfying plop when the bottle is opened. ये सारी चीजों को ध्यान दे करके सुप्रीम कॉर्क ने बनाया है कुछ. ठीक है, we got this. The last paragraph gives us some kind of analysis. ये होगा, नहीं होगा, प्लास्टिक टिकेगी, नहीं टिकेगी, क्या होगा, टॉप एंड वाले इनको ये चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए. That's it, done. How much time should this take you? It should take you not more than 90 seconds. Trust me on this. With sustained and consistent practice and kind of determination and applying the right techniques, doing it the right way, it shouldn't take you more than this. उससे ज्यादा आप पढ़ के कर ही क्या लोगे? It's a data-based passage with some kind of analysis given there. But I know for a fact, इतना करने के बाद, I'm going to make a beeline for this question first. इसको मैं अब number 1 करूंगी. Right? Because I know he's not being narrative, he's not being descriptive. Difference between narrative and descriptive? Descriptive is explain. वो तो आप समझ रहे हो descriptive कैसा होता है, right? He's taking something and explaining. Narrative is a particular concept, a particular mudda, but not debating over it. Just kind of, there is this mudda going on. There is this thing called global warming that has been going on. Let me tell you the details about it. वो उसका उसने पूरा details दिया with a lot of data and everything. That is narrative. Narrative can also be first person में I और we लगा करके, so you can make out very easily. Descriptive, narrative, explanatory, ये सब generally जो होते हैं, like these three are kind of connected. Okay, so don't worry too much about these. वो पहचान में आ जाते हैं. Here it's either analytical or argumentative. The difference between these two, argumentative is more like theory, use of less data and more questions. Throughout the passage, there'll be many and many questions. In this passage, we know that there were like, maybe 2 or 3 questions here and there. So yes, you guessed it right. This answer is B. So this can be done very fast. I'm very happy about it. Now I take you back to the first one. इसको number 2 पे करेंगे. Main idea हमें clear है, right? We know the flow. We have mapped the passage. So what am I going to do? Not jump back to the passage. I'm just going to check the options first. It is the increasing cost that sets each other in a wine industry row. पहले तो ना पढ़ने के बाद I'm giving you 30 seconds. आप भी पहले इसको देख लो, then we discuss. Okay, let's get down to it now. First thing, hero. war. इसमें mentioned है, it is mentioned here, right? The defenders of cork and of plastic have found a win-win solution. Types for wines, okay, who think they have to change with the times. The tone here doesn't talk about war, doesn't talk about battle, doesn't talk about a conflict. Major factor facing defenders who think they have to change. Where is the war? So this is straight away eliminated because the hero is missing. Option C can be eliminated. Why? They have found a win-win solution to the problem faced by them in the global wine industry. So in the last paragraph, why is the author coming up with this question? Will this end in open hostilities? So definitely win-win solution. Defenders of cork and of plastic, दोनों ने हाथ मिला लिया, दोनों को कहीं पे वो हो गया. They have come to a middle ground. No, nothing of that sort has happened. So this is eliminated. I'm happy because this catches my eye. रो का मतलब होता है not rows and columns. रो का मतलब होता है लड़ाई. Okay, so दोनों में hero है. Now what is the step? You know very well. Look closely for the difference between the two and then eliminate. Difference क्या है? It is the increasing cost of this that sets defenders. Here I can see cause and effect. Cause, effect. Option 1 का कहना है because of cost there is this war that is happening between these people. Increasing cost of plastic corks, right? Plastic corks market में आया, उसका cost है सबसे बड़ा मुद्दा जिसकी वजह से the war is happening. Okay? It is not so much cost but dependability, not this but that sets the defenders of cork and of plastic, right? Sets the defenders of cork and of plastic against each other. So, very clear, very cool. What is happening? यहाँ से यहाँ तक चांदनी चौक टू चाइना आपका ये सिमिलर है. The only difference is somewhere here. This is saying increasing cost of plastic. This is saying not so much cost but dependability. I remember कहीं तो हमने देखा था कुछ cost से related, right? Go over there. Check it quickly. When you're left with two options, पहले तो आपने difference निकाल लेना and then you go back and prove one of the two. कि भाई ये cost की वजह से है या cost की वजह से नहीं है. Now if you look over here, you can easily see it. Got it? ठीक है? Yes. यहाँ दे रखा है this is not because they are cheaper. They aren't and they create their own problems. So we know that cost is not the mudda, it is because of something else. Right? Some dependability, something. So it is not this. Yes, you guessed it right. D is the answer. तो ये guesswork नहीं होना चाहिए. मतलब अगर D answer आ रहा है तो it has to be with certainty and this certainty will come when you do some more sessions with me, when you kind of start applying the techniques and when you do like sustained practice. ठीक है? अब बच गए मेरे दो questions. CAT में ऐसा है तो भाई मैं तो क्या करूंगी question 1 and 4 करके I can move on to the next passage. But right now I'm going to show you कैसे करना है. Inferred. Natural cork stopper industry threatened by what? Now this question is going to be easy. देखने में difficult लग रहा है. I'll tell you why easy. Environmentalists. ठीक है? Chlorine washes. Fine. इसमें कोई ऐसा attractive word नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे. Traditional okay, America, France, replacing it with innovative material. All right. ये मुझे 3 attractive words दिख रहे हैं. Now, I know that these are given in separate paragraphs. I'm going to check them, verify them, and then I'm going to quickly do true false. इसमें पूछा क्या है? Inferred. Inference is 1 true. F. So I'm going to look for traps in 3 options. ये भी clarity होनी चाहिए. पेपर में लिख लो. TFFF, right? Question ने क्या पूछा है? Comfort of the natural cork stopper industry as of today is threatened by. As of today is threatened by what? Right? So natural cork stopper industry पहले था. अब वो क्यों threatened है? There has to be a reason. So is it because of environmentalists, chlorine washes, or France वाला something? सबसे easy I think is chlorine and environmentalists. Environmentalist वाला जो Spain, Portugal, cork oak forest together with dozens of rare species and chlorine washes दोनों दिखे थे हमें. I'll take you back. Chlorine washes यहाँ था. इतना retention होना चाहिए. When we were doing the organized reading of the passage, इतना तो today वाला I told you question होगा यहाँ पर. ठीक है? So you check now. Today washes have been changed. यहाँ बोला है stripped of their precious bark too frequently, the manufacturing processes remained primitive and continued to rely on the use of chlorine washes which increased the likelihood of contamination. So chlorine washes were bad, they were primitive, then they were changed. Innovation was made, they were improved. तो ये तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए. Why will the industry be threatened because of that? Chlorine washes तो improve हो चुके. सबसे easy elimination, so this is false. Right? Eliminated. Now I'm going to check environmentalists allege. First page में कहीं पे दिखा था वो वाला. क्या बोल रहा है ये? Demand for natural wine cork stoppers has resulted. Oh, cause and effect. So demand. Right. Demand for this has resulted in the destruction of this together with this. Oh ho, cause and effect का कुछ तो लोचा होगा. Go back to this now. The last paragraph on this slide. Read it carefully. Then we discuss. Right? Beautiful option. In this paragraph, they are clearly saying cork defenders हैं. उनको cork चाहिए. Right? They have launched a campaign. उनका क्या है? Allegation क्या है? Plastic substitutes criminal है. So plastic substitutes जो market में आ रहे हैं, these people have attacked the plastic substitutes and what have they said? प्लास्टिक सब्सटीट्यूट्स के अपने इंप्योरिटीज होते हैं. बेटा आप यहाँ पे कॉक फ्लोटिंग का हमको ब्लेम कर रहे थे, यहाँ पे प्लास्टिक सब्सटीट्यूट्स की अपनी इंप्योरिटीज होती हैं and their use would destroy the cork oak forests of Spain and Portugal along with species of birds. So इनका villain plastic substitutes है. Right? I go back to this particular option. अभी आप देखो, environmentalists allege क्या? Demand for natural wine cork stoppers, demand for this has resulted in this? No, the demand for this, no. Plastic usage, cheap plastic substitutes ka usage has resulted or it may result in this. So this is definitely false. This is wrong cause effect. This is also word play जिसको distortion कहते हैं. ठीक है? So these two are easily eliminated. जिंदगी आसान हो गई, दो ही बच गए इसमें. I hope you understood how we can do this fast. Pick the attractive looking words and go back and verify quickly. Right? Now, between these two, कोई जो answer है that is true. It should look a little balanced, right? The market share of plastic closures is set to grow even though the stoppers may be expensive. Price is not responsible. Irrespective of price, कुछ ऐसा है ना, ये बहुत balanced sound कर रहा है. Traditional winemakers in America want to abandon the use of cork stoppers because again cause effect. Medicinal industry in France had long abandoned cork, replacing it with innovative material. This is cause. इसकी वजह से, I mean, they had abandoned cork and replaced it with innovative material. Because of that, traditional winemakers want to abandon the use of cork stoppers. Cause and effect दिख रहा है between these two C and D. I'll quickly go back and verify. France तो यही है ना? Yeah. Right? Inventor had seen plastic bungs. It is made from a recyclable, right, thermoplastic polymer used to store medicines. A field where cork was abandoned 80 years ago, thus answering many of the accusations hurled at plastic closures. So ये supreme cork का हमें पता है. How is it connected to the passage? This came up with some kind of innovation in plastic, some kind of superior quality in plastic, right? Devised after its inventor had seen plastic bungs, third class material, being used to seal the casks. Classiest आपके वो है estates, उस पे आप घटिया plastic use कर रहे हो. So this company came up with something innovative. It is made from recyclable, inert thermoplastic polymer, store medicines. ये medicines तो ये है inert thermoplastic polymer used to store medicines. Medicine का वो टुकड़ा, not medicine का, something that is used to store medicines, वो polymer लेकर के you are kind of, using it. A field where cork was abandoned. Okay. Right? So, यहाँ पे I can see very clearly this is completely distortion. आप देखो ये क्या बोल रहा है. Traditional winemakers want to abandon the use of cork stoppers. Why? Medicinal industry in France ने abandon कर दिया था, replacing it with innovative material. All इधर का उधर कर दिया इन लोगों ने. Right? So that is called distortion. And yes, your answer is option C. C sounds pretty balanced and it goes with what is given there. ठीक है? And the last one. It can be inferred from the passage that the author seems to be what? So the author seems to be of the view that synthetically manufactured are here to stay. It may be, we are looking for one T, FFF. So word traps होंगे. Against the usage of plastic stoppers as longevity is not balanced by the longevity of plastic stoppers as, so this is cause, this is effect. In favor of new innovative entrants in the wine stopper market such as Twin Top and Supreme Cork. In favor of using natural cork along with improved processes such as INOS as well as this. Okay. Now, what is this question asking you? It can be inferred author seems to be. Seems to be is like, in favor of something, against the usage of this, of the view that synthetically. Now, how will I do this fast? In true false question, I generally don't apply POE बहुत ज्यादा. अगर मुझे मिल गया है वो करेक्ट तो ठीक है, I come back and I take that as the answer. एक ही ट्रू चाहिए. मुझे इन चारों में सबसे बैलेंस्ड ये दिख रहा है. Right? This is what I'm doing now. ये भी वेरीफाई करूं, ये भी करूं, ये भी करूं. It's going to take me at least 2 to 3 minutes. Right? ये बैलेंस दिख रहा है मुझे. एक ही तो ट्रू चाहिए. Why not take this and prove it? Of the view that synthetically manufactured caps are here to stay. Of the view, maybe conclusion, maybe connected with the overall thing, the summing up, right, are here to stay. Synthetically manufactured. Go back and check here. Right, is growing faster than this. So there is actually plenty of room for different types of stopper. At the top end, that does not necessarily favor plastic. जरूरी नहीं है कि plastic ही आना है. Synthetic, कोई भी synthetic, that's what the option is saying. For nobody can yet know whether plastic stoppers will remain sound, greatest wines mature before they are drunk. पता नहीं है वो. On the other hand, plastic का argument जो है plastic रहना चाहिए, नहीं रहना चाहिए. So here he's saying very clearly plastic may not be the actual competitor. Corks are anyway out. So synthetic वाला जो है ये here, of the view that synthetically manufactured caps are here to stay. They can be there because there is a gap and this kind of a competition can come along and it will be there. It will help the market actually. Got it, guys? So now at the end of this like entire set, let me give you these points. There are 4 questions. It's not necessary that I have to do all 4. मैं इसमें से 1 and 4 करूंगी. उसके आगे अगर मुझे लग रहा है कि हाँ 1 and 4 कितने में मैंने किया, देखो जैसे 90 सेकेंड्स आपकी ऑर्गेनाइज रीडिंग होगी. क्वेश्चन 1 तो बहुत, क्वेश्चन 4 एनालिटिकल वाला तो दैट वाज वेरी इजी, सो प्रोबेबली 40 सेकेंड्स. क्वेश्चन 1 जो आपका मेन आइडिया का था, लेट्स से इट टेक्स यू 90 सेकेंड्स, तो 1.5 मिनट, 1.5 एंड काइंड ऑफ रफली आई कैन से 2 to 3 minutes. सॉरी, यहाँ 3 हो गए, 3 एंड ओके, सो अबाउट 4 minutes. 4 minutes you spent on 2 questions. You ideally need 7 to 8 minutes, है ना, for like a passage with 4 questions या कुछ ऐसा, इतना करना है. So I know कि 4 minutes में हो गया, I can handle 1 more question. I would go and pick question number 2. ठीक है, I'll show you here. ये वाला threatened by, क्योंकि इसमें easy words हैं. So you can safely do 3 questions and then move out. Right, guys? So that brings me to the end of this passage. I hope I've been able to give you some ज्ञान points here. So आपके answers यहाँ हैं. D, C, A, B. Let's go back and quickly mark. D ये तो ठीक था, ये हमारा आ गया था. C, grow, set to grow, right? ये हमने eliminate किए थे यहाँ. Of the view, this was the most balanced looking one. एक ही true चाहिए था. So sometimes you can play with that, take that, go back and prove it. ठीक है? तो ये हो गया आपका right. One more thing in the end, guys. Foundation modules हमारे पास हैं to improve the basics. So just like I'm giving you this series so that you can improve your RCs in a proper way with sustained practice and move in the right direction. Similarly, we have got like foundation modules, दूसरे products हैं that will really help you. जैसे VRC essentials है हमारा. इसमें we have got a compilation of good concepts. We have got LRDI essentials similarly. Non-engineers का QA. Non-engineers का QA बोले तो भाई somebody who has not done engineering उसको लगता है कि मैं तो CAT क्रैक ही नहीं कर पाऊंगा. No, you have got like class 6 से लेके class 10 तक का foundation module है आपका. तो उसमें even non-engineers can understand very clearly, right? Okay, we have got engineers VRC, LRDI, Inception, QA conceptual videos. ये सारे हमारे products हैं जो कि special like in-depth understanding के लिए हैं. And ये आपके सामने मैं दे रही हूँ जो हमारा flow है actually. So when I say the flow, what happens flow mein? It's like a student takes a subscription, gets on board. He gets kind of, ye VRC essentials, LRDI essentials, ये पहले उसको like basics उसको दिया जाएगा, ठीक है? Then we have got live classes. उसके बाद the बच्चा goes on to application classes. So ये proper everything is given to you in a very structured manner, right, guys? Cool. ज़्यादा सोचो मत. Get started with your prep, and if you want, you can just hop on board. Come over to our regular classes, like the structured classes. Very soon you'll see improvement. चलो अभी के लिए इतना ही है. I'll be coming back with another passage. Practice start कर लो आप. Slowly we will improve. Thank you so much.